the next part of this chapter 15.3, where we are integrating functions in the form of ax plus bn. Alright, so generally this is the rule. If we are integrating any function in this form, dx, so what will happen is that we're just going to do something very similar. We're going to add 1 to the power. So ax plus b, we're going to add 1, so n plus 1. Alright, and then we're going to divide by the new power, which is n plus 1. Alright, now the next thing, what we will do is we will differentiate what's inside the bracket, the function inside the bracket. In this case, if we differentiate ax plus b, we should get a, right? So what will happen is that the a, we will divide it, alright? So when we divide a, so it's basically a multiplication to the denominator side, and we're going to add a c, okay? So basically that's how we will integrate ax plus b power n. Do take note that n cannot be equals to minus 1, and that a cannot be 0. Now the reason why it can't be that is because if it is minus 1, then it will be some function divided by 0, which will be error. Similarly for a, if a is 0, then we'll be dividing by 0. Okay, so that's the rule. Alright, let's look at example 5. We look at this 3 example. Okay, let's try a first. So we're going to integrate 3x minus 8 to the power of 5 dx. So like what we mentioned, we just add 1 to the power. So 6. We're going to divide by the new power, in this case 6. And we will divide by the differential inside the bracket, in this case is 3. Alright, we're going to plus c. We can simplify that. 3x minus 8, 6, 1 over 18. Okay, plus c. Alright, you can pause the video right now and try B and C yourself. And yeah, you can come back, unpause it, and check your answers. Alright, let's look at part B. Let's integrate 8 over 4x plus 1. Plus 1, not plus 3. Plus 1 to the power 3 dx. Alright, so for this, I will actually factor out my coefficient, in this case 8. Alright, and I will rewrite this as 4x plus 1 to the power of minus 3 dx. So with this form, I think it's easier for me to integrate, yeah? So let's integrate. So we'll add 1 to the power, so 4x plus 1 to the power of minus 2. And we're going to divide this with the new power, in this case minus 2. And we'll divide by the differential inside the bracket, which is 4. Okay? And then we're going to plus c. Okay? So overall, this will be 8 at the bottom, so we'll cancel out. So minus bracket 4x plus 1 minus 2 plus c. Or some of you may want to do it as minus 1 over 4x plus 1 square plus c. Now either way it's fine. Let me know if you got to this answer. Alright, you can pause here and try C first, or if not, you can just straight away check your answer. Alright, so if you're going to integrate 12 over root of 2x minus 7 dx, sorry, it's a bit small, so I can factor out actually my 12 first. And I'll integrate 2x minus 7 to the power of minus half. Okay, dx. Alright, so in this case, again, you add 1 to the power. So you have 12, put a big bracket there. So 2x minus 7 to the power of minus half plus 1 is half. Alright, and we're going to divide by half, which is a new power, and we're going to divide by the differential inside the bracket, which is 2. Okay, and then plus c. So we should get something like 12 This will be root 2x plus 7, all right, and plus c. All right, so that will conclude example 5. I hope it's clear. If you have any question, do let me know down in the comment. And yeah, I'll see you for the next video.